Hi guys, it's Audrey with Gator Metal Roofing, and today we're speaking with homeowner Mr. Kreitzer. So Mr. Kreitzer, you just got your new energy efficient Gator Metal roof. Tell us what you thought about working with Gator.
Well, the price was very competitive, but more importantly, only took from the time of signing the contract to when I had the roof on less than 3 weeks.
Wow.
When you need a roof, it's like a hole in a boat, man. You got to get her done quick.
Exactly.
And I had got other prices, a little bit cheaper, 6 months. It wouldn't done me much good. They were on time. I was very impressed with that. You know, did the job in one day. I was very impressed with that. And went around, picked everything up, but you couldn't even tell someone was here other than the new roof.
What made you switch from a shingle roof to a metal
Resale
roof?
value, the energy saving, looks better,
Sounds
and
good.
they did it all in one day.
Yeah, awesome. So your roof color is light gray. What made you choose that color?
I thought it would be easier to match other colors to it. Actually, a friend of mine said that's a better color than red. I really wanted red, but I think a much better choice was this one.
Would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to your friends
And
and
you know,
family?
people have stopped by and talked to me, and I have. I honestly have,
Yes.
before even hearing from you guys.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you.